Okay, so welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing the JBL Extreme 3, which is a relatively new product. I've got my hands on it a little bit late, but better late than never. So I'm just going to be doing a little unboxing of it, showing you around it, first thoughts, you know the drill by now. It's just a lot smaller box than I expected, to be honest. When I remember having the Extreme 2, I remember it being a lot bigger, but at that time that was my biggest speaker I've ever had, so it probably felt bigger than it actually was. So JBL standard, they come in these little packages. Very sweet. Got a little bit of tape on here. I do like the look of this one. I've seen obviously pictures of it and stuff. Oh yeah. So that's it's not massive, but it's also not too small. Got the black subwoofers. Got a nice design on the bottom and on the sides there. Got a bit of an orange colouring under the letters there, very nice. As far as ports go, we've got a power out, power in, and a aux port, so nothing special with there. So obviously this can be used as just a normal phone charger as well, because it's got power out on it. Very cool. In the rest of the box here, we've got this, which I'm guessing is just manuals, which I obviously don't need, because manuals are incredibly boring. So that would be your charger. It's got a little power brick with it there, and then it charges through USB-C, as you can see, the one in there. And then this is what we're really after. The main unique feature of the Extreme series is they come with the little strap. So if I could just open this with one hand. So this strap, obviously, it's got little clips on it. Very good quality, actually, this one as well. So you just, again, easier said than done with one hand. Come on. Alright, there you go. There's one side. Bit ridiculous, this, I know. And there's the other. And then you can use that as a shoulder strap. You can tighten it, or you can just hold it a little bit less further down. So this makes it easier for carrying around, a bit more comfortable for a longer journey. I suppose it doesn't have to be held, you know, just by a handle. It can be thrown over your shoulder, which is quite cool. Got a little Extreme 3 logo on there, JBL logo on the strap, bit of padding. It's very good quality. I mean, it's pretty much just a seat belt, but you know, it's nothing high tech. And let's see if this works. So this is what I got from my Extreme 2. Never actually got a chance to use it though, because I ordered it. Didn't realise it came from China, and then by the time it actually arrived, I'd long sold my Extreme 2, so I never got to use it. So I'm going to see if this works for this one. That's quite cool, actually. So this obviously just can act as a little, if you want to use it like the Boombox 2 almost. It's a little strap just for carrying around. Very cool, actually. I like that. So you've got these two straps to use with it. And that's about it, really. Obviously it's not massively different from any of the other JBL products, but I do like the look of this one, and its smaller size makes it a little bit easier to carry around and stuff. So that's my first thoughts on it. Look out for a review coming soon.